Let's go through how to share a document. Right now I'm in my drive and I'll just go to my videos folder, and let's say I want to share this new Air Cadet recruitment video. So I right click, press share, and I'm led to this tab. Here I can enter the names or email addresses of people that I want to share to, and they'll get a link to click, and then they'll be able to see and or edit my video based on my preference. And you can see that by clicking on the Get Shareable link, which is here. And here's the link, which is you can copy using this button. And I can set whether the people have access to it, only the specific people that I send this to have access to it, anyone with the Air Cadet League, all the way to anyone in the public, which is right here. So basically, if I select this option and press save, now there's no need for me to even send it to people individually. I can just copy this link and send it to people either through email or Facebook or anywhere. And anyone that has this link can view it, not just the people that I share it to. So right now I will revert it back to anyone at only the Air Cadet League of Canada. And if I press advanced, then that's really where you can see who has access to this video. So in this case, only me. I can once again enter people or invite people here. And just like we saw a few seconds ago, I can change it using this section where I can set it so people can see it, where anyone can see it in the world, or just people that I select, or somewhere in between.